Alright, I've painted the core of my mask in, or what will be my mask, in normal mode. I'm deliberately leaving quite a bit of room at the top of the head there, and for the rest of the edges I'm switching to overlay mode. This performs a particular function for me. And you can see as I'm getting around these little bits that the brush isn't painting 100% black. That's because of the overlay mode. And what it does for me in this situation, it allows me to go over the edges of my matte or mask like this, without sort of painting solid black. So because the background's lighter and I'm in overlay mode, the black brush isn't painting black into the background in general. I'm being a little bit sloppy with that corner because I'm going to crop this image later on. I know that I don't need to worry too much about that. But yeah, overlay mode for building masks, very handy.